Hello traders, this is day 11 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100. Now after trading for 10 days, I'm standing at $815. Let's see where we can reach today. I'm going to use my 1 minute trading strategies to take all my trades and will explain you in detail so that you guys can apply the same while trading. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently on this chart, I have a trade opportunity. Let me first draw some key levels, which I'm going to use. So for me, I have a clear reversal zone and I'm interested in using this zone for a reversal. Although chances of reversal of the price is high from this zone, but to get better entry, I will use this zone for a reversal trade. Let's wait for the price to hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will be looking for a reversal trade in the downward direction. This is clearly visible swing high and it's a major level and price can reverse from this zone. So I'm waiting for the price to reach this zone. Once price reach here, I will switch to the 5-second chart and will look for 5-second bearish reversal confirmation to place a 1 minute expiry trade. Price is about to hit the resistance. I have switched to the 5-second chart. All I need is the price to go inside the zone and then form reversal, bearish reversal pattern. There is no solid reversal pattern till now. That's the confirmation. We got clear reversal confirmation and a bearish pattern that also broke the recently rejected level. Price goes inside and after that it formed this reversal pattern. So I place the trade. Right now we are running in loss. Price shows a reversal and now we are again in profit. The trade will expire in the next 35 seconds. Let's see what will be the result. The trade is simple. I have used a major resistance zone to place a reversal trade. Price goes inside this zone and it gave 5-second reversal pattern, a bearish reversal pattern that also broke the recently rejected level. That was a confirmation for me, so that's why I place a trade. My entry is here. The trade will expire in the next 8 seconds and it looks like that we are going to have a winning trade here. And I booked profit in this trade. Let me find other trading setup now. Currently on USD CAD chart, I have a trade opportunity. Let me first draw the key levels. I'll start from the body and the wick. This is a good reversal zone, a buying zone for the price. If in future goes down and after hitting this zone, if it formed a bullish reversal pattern, I will place a trade in the upside direction. Price is very near, so chances of reversal are high. I'm switching to the 5-second chart. Okay, this is 5-second chart. It's a low volume market, so there is always risk involved when we trade in the low volume market because you will find long wick. And okay, here we have inverted hammer. I have placed my trade because there was a rejection here and this particular candle is also a reversal pattern. This reversal pattern found when price goes inside the reversal zone. It can be a sign of liquidity sweep and that's why I placed this trade. Now let's wait for the result. The trade is simple. We have used a clearly visible buying zone to place a reversal trade. Price goes inside and after going inside, it gave reversal pattern. Right now we are running in loss and looks like that we are going to lose this trade. So if I get another entry, because according to me the price will reverse, I will take another trade. All I need is solid reversal confirmation here. This is another confirmation, but previous confirmation failed, so I'm not placing any trade. I will be looking for a bullish confirmation now. And yes, okay, we won the trade at the very last second, and accidentally I pressed for this trade. The confirmation was here, and because our entry was good, we won the trade at the very last second. But now our entry is wrong, and it was not planned. I was planning a trade here, not here. Let's see what will happen. The setup is simple and it's the same strategy. Price hit the support zone and it gave reversal confirmation on the 5-second chart. My entry is wrong here. It's quite high from the level where it needs to be, but now it's running in profit. My entry, I was planning an entry here, but suddenly price went up and I pressed for a call because I wanted to make sure that I take another trade. Okay, it's a break-even trade, so we have not lost anything. Good. Let's take one more trade and then we will end this session. Currently on British Pound CAD chart, I have a trade opportunity. Let me first draw some key levels. I'll start from the resistance. This is the resistance zone that I'm going to use to place a reversal trade. Second, we have our level of support here as well, which is a liquidity zone, and price might go down to hit the stop losses of retail buyers, and then it will start moving up. So both of these zones are important. The resistance is important for a reversal trade in the downward direction, and this support can also give us a reversal trade in the upside direction. Let's wait for the price to reach any of those levels. Price about to hit the recent resistance zone. I am switching to the 5-second chart to get the confirmation. Price is very near to the resistance. It hit the zone, and now I need solid reversal pattern to place a trade in the downward direction. This is the confirmation. It's a solid reversal pattern in the downward direction. I have placed a 1-minute expiry trade. Let me explain you the setup. This is recent resistance zone. Price hit the recent resistance, and on 5-second chart it formed this inverted hammer. After that, a bearish Marubozu candle, which is a sign that price will now start reversing. Currently we are running in loss. Price might take some time to reverse. If I lose this trade, I will take one more trade, but chances of us winning this trade are still there. 14 seconds are remaining. Maybe we can have a profitable trade. If not, I will be looking for another trade setup here on this chart. Last 2 seconds and we lost this trade. Now I need breakout. Okay, you can see the breakout here. I placed the trade. Price sometimes takes more than 1 minute to reverse. It was a good reversal pattern, but you can see that as soon as we lost the trade, the price started moving in the downward direction. This was the confirmation because this particular candle broke the recently rejected support level. So it's a confirmation for me. I have placed my 1 minute expiry trade in the downward direction. Chances of price going down are high now. Let's wait for the result now. Okay, we booked profit in this trade. The last trade was in loss because price took a little more time to reverse. Let me explain you the trade. The trade is simple. Price hit the recent resistance. After hitting the recent resistance, it gave confirmation on the 5-second chart. This was the confirmation. If you focus on these 3 candles, it was a good reversal confirmation for me. I placed my trade here, the trade expired here, and after that price suddenly formed this breakout candle. This breakout candle broke the recently rejected level, so I placed another trade, and in that trade I booked profit. It was this trade is based upon recent resistance, and on 5-second chart we got good reversal confirmation, so I placed the trade. Currently on British pound CAD chart I have a trade opportunity. Let me first draw the key levels. This is the reversal zone for me. I'm waiting for the price to go inside the zone. Okay, price hit the resistance. Let me switch to the 5-second chart. Now we need solid reversal confirmation to place a trade. This is not reversal confirmation. I need strong bearish reversal pattern. Okay, let me switch my zone. Let's use this zone for a reversal now. This whole zone is important. Price goes inside the zone. I still need a confirmation to place a trade. I cannot see any strong candlestick confirmation. The confirmations are weak, which means selling pressure is not that strong here. I will only place my trade when I see that sellers are winning over the buyers. Okay, we have the confirmation. This is the confirmation candle here. My entry is better. I'm facing internet issue again on pocket option today. I don't know the reason, but on IQ option I never face such issues, but on pocket option usually at this time I face internet issue. The price chart stopped working in between. Okay, so let me explain you this trade first of all. This is recent resistance. Price hit the recent resistance zone, and on the 5-second chart it gave this confirmation here. This particular candle broke the recently rejected level, so that was the confirmation. My entry is better. Last 11 seconds are remaining. Let's wait for the result now. Okay, we booked profit by a very small margin. Because of our better entry, we made profit in this trade, and that's the reason in most cases I prefer taking trades near to the support and resistance level, because these zones can hold the price. So let me explain you this trade now. This was the recent resistance. Price hit the recent resistance. So according to the strategy, we need confirmation on the 5-second. I was watching 5-second chart, and here price goes inside, formed bearish candle, again formed another bearish candle that broke the recently rejected level here. That would be my entry, but because of internet issue I placed my trade here and I booked profit, and after that the price went up. So I can say that I was lucky, because this is a lucky trade for me, otherwise it was a loss. So that is it for today. Summary for today: we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and we booked profit in 4 trades, lost 1 trade, 1 was refund, and that is it about this session. I hope you learned something new from this trading session video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.